Hey fragrance fam, I am back with another fragrance unboxing and first impression. This fragrance is new to me. I was actually scrolling through TikTok and saw that Olivia Olfactory was reviewing these fragrances. This fragrance is from an Indian fragrance brand and it is called Eze. She was reviewing quite a few of them from this brand, but this one caught my attention and this one is called Lit. This one has top notes of raspberry and sour cherry. It has middle notes of violet and jasmine, and in the base you have musk and vanilla. This is what the box looks like. I haven't seen too many people talk about these fragrances. Again, I saw Olivia Olfactory review it, and this one in particular caught my attention. She said that this was a mix of, to her nose, it was a mix of Burberry Her and strawberry leather. And I said, yes, let me try it. And these were affordable, actually. This is what the bottle looks like. It has Lit, Eze. It reminds me of, you know, those chapsticks from that brand? That's what it reminds me of. But Olivia said it reminded her of a Christmas tree ornament, and I could see that. But this is what it looks like. Let's give it a spray. Ooh, look at that pressurized atomizer. Ooh, this is fruity. I definitely get that raspberry in the opening. It is sweet. It is bright. It's fresh. I like this. I get that jasmine. In the base, it warms up. I get some creaminess from that vanilla, but I also get some of that musk. Ooh. This one is a yes for me. It is sweet, it's fruity, it's fun, it's flirty, but not in a juvenile way. I do get that raspberry again in that opening. I do get some of that jasmine. It's sweet, it's fruity, it's floral. And in the base, it warms up and I do get a vanilla. It's creamy. And I also get some musk. Have you tried Eze perfume brand? Again, this is an Indian perfume brand. I've never heard of it till I saw that video. But let me know if you have tried these and will you be getting it? But Eze Lit, this is a definite yes for me.